Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Pop-up folder on your Samsung Galaxy device. So with the Home App module, you can turn any app folder into a pop-up folder that floats on your screen, allowing quick access without leaving your current task. So as you can see, currently when I tap on the folder, it takes over the whole screen. I cannot see anything on my home screen now. So with the pop-up folder, you'll be able to see it. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. First, go ahead and open up the Good Luck app. Now in the Good Luck app, scroll down, find Home Up, turn the feature on, and then tap on Home Screen. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Pop-up folder. Go ahead and turn this feature on, tap on this. Here you'll be able to choose if you want small pop-up folder, medium ones, or large. So I'll go ahead and choose small ones. I want to go ahead and make sure that it changes according to how many icons are there, so variable sizes. I want to position it at the central. I don't want to hide the edit bar. And I want to go ahead and remove the blur. So I'll tap on Home. Now when I go ahead and tap on a folder, as you can see, this now opens up in a pop-up folder. So this allows me to view other icons on the home screen. So it's super efficient multitasking. You can access apps without breaking your workflow. It keeps your home screen organized while still being easily accessible. So this is great for power users who juggle messaging, work apps, or entertainment at once. Basically feels futuristic, like a mini control center, always ready at your fingertips. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on Pop-up folder on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.